Anyway, Willie Doo, I'm in a rush today. Actually, I should probably mention I'm going to be, you're going to watch this tomorrow, but you can go back and watch because I'm going to be helping out for the Blue Jays broadcast, Blue Jays versus Indians today. That's the Cleveland Indians. I'm talking about the MLB baseball game. I'm going to be helping out with the broadcast, or at least on the broadcast. I don't know to what extent at the moment, but it's part of this promo where YouTube is streaming for free baseball games, which is kind of cool. Anyone can watch. You just click on it. Like, there's no weird membership, no weird stuff at all. You just go watch. It's free. It's open. Anyway, I'm going to be on that broadcast. You're watching this after it happened, though, because I'll be going there right now tonight. So if you want to go watch the replay, you can. But anyway, that's the reason I'm taking off early. I got to be there for batting practice. How cool is that? Anyhow, Willie Doo, why don't you hit us with one question? I'm sure you got one.
All right. Let's do one here.
And then I'll boogie. Then I'll head down there. I'll hit some dingers. You understand?
Okay. So this one's from Aaron. Hey, guys. Aloha from the 50th state. Now, I know you all are the lower 48 neighbors to the north. Just wondering if you could shed some light on that imperial to metric conversion of a boatload. What do you think? Shed some light.
Did we determine what the actual boatload quantity was?
For some reason, I always thought it was like a trillion.
Oh, wow. You thought a boatload was a trillion.
Number, yeah.
Now, metric and imperial, that's measurements. That's like centimeters versus inches.
Inches, feet.
Feet. Well, in weight, it's kilos versus pounds.
Yeah.
So he's going that direction. I think a boatload, a literal boat loaded, a loaded boat. So now you're talking about one of those transport boats. The
like
ones come from freight boat, come from China to the shipyard.
Yeah.
And unload all the goods on the containers, which then go into the trains or onto the trucks. So we could find out how many kilos are on a transport boatload and therefore convert that kilo number into pounds. Don't you? Oh, there's a definition of boatload. Click on that.
What, this one right here?
No, the top one.
It's not this one?
A load that fills a boat. No, I like that. I'm happy with that. A boatload is a load that fills a boat. Oh, or an indefinitely large number or amount. Indefinitely. That's the way I use it.
There you go.
So I'm using it the right way, the actual clearly defined way. So therefore, actually, there's no answer to his question because I use it the second way, not the load that fills the boat, although that's the direction I was going. Nonetheless, we should still answer the question in the first definition.
A modern container ship can carry over 21,000 TEU.
TEU. What is that? Some sort of volume thing? No. Forget about TEUs. We need kilograms.
How much can a TEU hold?
Oh my God. See, it's some sort of volume thing, TEU. 20 feet long, 8 feet. 20-foot equivalent unit. It's, because all those units are carrying different amounts of weight. We need to know how much that thing can hold before it sinks. I don't care about volume.
You don't care about volume?
No, volume wouldn't matter to us because he wants a metric conversion. We're not getting into volume cubed and 400,000 tons. Perfect. Okay. Hit us with that then. 400,000. Okay, 400,000 tons. Tonnage. Fine. 400,000 tons conversion. There you go. Okay, so 400,000 tons is what is that number? How many zeros are there? 36 million?
No, 362
million kilograms is a boatload, according to Kirk, maximum. I don't know if he's right or not, but none of it matters because there are two definitions to boatload, it turns out. Now, honestly, I probably use it even looser than the actual definition, but the definition says indefinite, so that means I can do what I want. That's my favorite type of word, Willie Doo. You know, this show right here is going to keep going indefinitely.